Good morning, this is Cherie Lynn here for Just Nailed It. Today we're going to be doing some nail stamping for Valentine's Day. This plate again that I'm going to be using I think came from Five Below. It's got SE-21 on it. I don't know if the camera's going to have glare. I'm using the heart in the middle of it. I'm going to be putting that on my ring finger. In white, I have 2 coats of Cream Pink on by Wet n Wild, 1 coat of Go Go Girl from Sinful Colors. Got some stamping polish here off of Wish, so we're going to try this out today and see how well it does. Got my jelly stamper. Got a good pickup. With one of these, you can line it up on your nail just how you want it. And it did not transfer on the nail. So, as you can see, there is nothing there. Was on the stamper. So, I'm going to be going with another white polish. Give me just 1 minute. I'm going to be using a white cream from Wet n Wild. This is one I usually use as a go-to for stamping. I guess the white from Wish from China is a no-go. Got my let's clear off my stamper. We got our lint roller here. Do never use acetone for your nail polish remover on a jelly stamper. Always use a lint roller. And we got a beautiful pickup. Line that up on our nail. And there we go. Beautiful, beautiful Manny. And this is for Valentine's Day 2018. I should put some little hearts. I did them on my thumb just to try the red out. Get my towel, wipe off my plate just to make sure it's dry. And I think I'm going to put a few more of those hearts on my nails. Some of the little floating ones. Here today in Michigan it's snowing. We are supposed to be getting 3 inches. They say 2 to 3. We'll get 3. That is not a good pickup. Sometimes it gives you a good one, sometimes it doesn't. You just keep trying. Whoa! Oh, shoot. Polish down. I have a polish holder, but of course I'm not using it. Okay, we got a pickup here. And there we go. Great pickup, great stamping. I've got red polish all over my hand. That's just beautiful. Excuse me while I take care of this. And this right here was from Five Below with their stamping plate. And we need to do a cleanup on this. Where it's a plate holder. Comes in handy. So let's continue on. I hope you're enjoying this. I hope you're into nail stamping. I really like doing it a lot. We're going to do one more nail and call it a day. Oh, should we scrape it first? Not such a great pickup, so I'll put those little hearts on my pinky. I'm going to use my lint roll to try to get this off my... Oh, and it worked. Beautiful. Well, there's my Manny. This one I will leave blank. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to top coat them. I have to let them dry to float it over. Well, I hope you enjoyed the stamping today. Hope you enjoy your Valentines. Don't forget to like, subscribe, link and share down below. And have a blessed day. Thank you.